4.1, here's the risk-free rate. So we deduct the risk-free rate and set this as the x-axis. This is y-axis, and we run the regression analysis. So we got alpha equals 0.07%, beta equals 0.88, and we use the equation in the textbook to calculate the cost of capital, which is 0.10016. To evaluate his performance, since the alpha is positive, so the manager earned a return higher than the cost of capital, or we say the manager earned a positive abnormal return.
But 4.2, the answer is uncertain because the expected rate of return for the venture capital is not solely dependent on the rate of failure, but it is dependent on the non-diversifiable risk of an investment. In other words, market risk, company size, value growth status, and liquidity are the factors that influence the cost of the venture capital. We also need to make adjustment for the slow-moving values in venture capital portfolios. As a result, this statement is uncertain.
Question 6.1, we think the statement is false because the private equity and the public equity, they have different requirements and they target at different markets. For the second question, we think the statement is false because the average self-dealing index in the civil law countries is lower than the index in the countries with the English common law system. So we think countries with common law-based legal system, they have relatively strong protections against investor expropriations.